Hello guys, Dirt Finger Day. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, guys. And today, guys, I'm playing this new game called Catbird. And we're going to be playing this game till the very end. And the reason I'm playing this game is, I've heard many people say it's awesome, so let's start playing. I did play a little bit just to see how it worked. But I'm going to start. I honestly don't actually know how to play. I'm just going to go back to level 1, but honestly I was not paying attention the entire game. So it looks like these two keys make us go straight. This makes us stop, which I think we want to get the crumbs. And the block thing. No, jeez, I suck at this. Just kidding. Right now I do. No. Hopefully we're supposed to get that. And this block thing takes us to the next level, I'm pretty sure. So here, I think we're going next level. I might be wrong. Just go like this. Which is exactly enough, which is great. Underneath we will just die, probably. This one you have to go like this. No! Okay. I think like those like the bar things are supposed to no, I just died. Yeah guys, I just died. First death. And we have a commercial. Which is great. So it looks like you have to go to the first one. What? Okay, sorry guys, I just pressed the wrong button. So what? What? Okay. So guys, this might take a few minutes, so I think I might speed up this video, guys, but this game is honestly a lot of fun. You know I messed up. I'm supposed to get the crown. And you're supposed to go down. And you're supposed to go over here. And you're supposed to drop. So, this game is so confusing. But, happily, I know how to get it. So I'm just going to move this box. I'm going to fly. Oh yeah, we got it. Next level, guys. This is a lot of fun. Oh, okay. This level is like, to me, like the hardest level. Oh, jeez. Okay, it's getting 15%. After this level, we will stop. I'm just gonna try I don't die. Gotta quickly run! Oh no, we missed him. We missed it. Okay. So after we get this box off, I'm apparently gonna. So guys, you know this is very short of a video. Yeah. I think I'm gonna end this video here just because my iPad's about to die. So maybe we might as well do a little. We could start a little bit. So I think after this level I'll do it. You know I'm probably going to have some problems. I hope this is not still level 1. Good. Okay. And then we can go over here. And we can go into the next level. And they're actually banning this level now. Just stupid commercials. Guys, are you ready, guys? I'm gonna play this game. I don't know how to play. Ooh, this is weird. Oh, I love this game. It sucks. Okay. So, after this, oh no. Okay, so after this level, we're going to stop the adventure. Whoa, okay. So guys, I think I'm actually going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, yeah. And so, I'll see you guys later because I'm actually going to soon finish this video up. A part 2 to this, basically. Because honestly, this is like the shortest video I've ever made. So, hope everyone loved this video. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys all later. Go, peace out. I'll see you guys all later. So, yeah.